How to fix your Android phone running slow. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can fix Android phone running slow. So without any delay, let's start with the process and how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if your Android phone is running slow, these are the methods you may follow in order to fix your phone. So the number one method is you may just restart your device. To restart your device, just long press on your power button. After that, you'll be finding a restart button. Just click on it and restart your device and see if that fixes your issue or not. Otherwise, the next thing you can do is clear up the storage of your device. For that, you may just head over to the main settings of your device, or you may just head over to the file manager. And there you are gonna delete the unnecessary files from your device to clear up more storage and make the running of your device more smoother. The next thing is make sure you have updated your phone to the latest version, including the apps as well, the apps that you are trying to run onto your device. Make sure you have make sure you have updated each and every app so that it functions properly onto a device, and that's basically how you do it. Otherwise, the next method you can apply in order to fix your phone running slow is check your battery health of your device. Like if the battery health of your device is very low, if your device has gotten very old, it may be one of the reasons why your phone is running very slow. In that case, you just need to update to a new phone. So basically that's how you fix your device running slow. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.